Hello YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have seen how to bring the data from front-end to back-end. So in this video, we will go a step further and bring that data from our back-end, from our database, from our models back to our UI. For that, we will first store all our objects of the to-do list model in a variable called all task. All task is equals to to-do list dot objects dot all, and then send this all task variable with a key and save it inside a dictionary named context. So all task is having all the objects of our model, and we are saving it inside a dictionary under the key tasks, and we will pass this dictionary as in the parameter that the render function has. If we want to send any kind of text to our front end, then we can send it through this context parameter. So in our UI, we will first let's create a div. Let's give it a class name as all task text center. Now first let's print the task variable that we have sent in context. You see the task variable is having all the three objects of our model, object 1, object 2 and 3. So now let's make it look better and print each task separately. So for that we will use the for loop of the Jinja format. So for task in tasks. So the first task is our for loop variable, and the second task is the context that we have sent from our views.py through the render function. Inside the for loop, we have created a div and a label, and inside the Jinja format, we have written task.task. So the task after the dot represents a to-do list model variable. So let's see how it looks. And we refresh it. We have forgotten to close our for loop. Brackets, percentage, and for. Space is the issue, I suppose. So see, task 1, task 2, task 2, task 2 is repeating because we have submitted, means reload the page multiple times. We will sort this out later. So first of all, let's remove the unwanted tasks from our model. For removing those unwanted tasks from our model, we can just go inside our Python shell. Let's exit the server and write python manage.py shell. So this will open our Python shell. So here first to remove the extra objects from our model, first let's import our model. So from to-do list dot models import to-do list, that is our module name. Now to-do list dot objects dot all. So we are having some 5-6 objects here. So we will remove some of them or all of them from for now. So to-do list dot objects dot all dot delete. So we have removed all the objects from our model. So if we refresh, let's rerun the server back, exit, Python manager py run server. Now see, no task is being displayed. Task 1. Now let's include the CSS first. So inside the div, let's give the class as container, margin top as 3, card, MX auto, column 4, and BG light. That's task 1. Done. So for now in part 3, let's keep it till here. So it's working good. In the next video, we will go a step further. Let's see what we have done in this video till now. So in views.py, we have created the all task variable in which we have saved all our objects from the to-do list model. Then we have passed this all task variable as a dictionary to the context parameter of our render function. Then in todo.html, we are iterating over this task variable, the context that we have sent from views.py, this task. We are iterating over that task, which is having all our objects from the model. And for each task, it is creating a div along with the actual task that it is having as saved in our model, this one. So in this video, we are summing up till here. Thank you.